Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, where it's never a dull moment. Over here, got the poor 4500 ripping into the rear suspension guts, so she can go get a full wheel alignment because her camera bolts was all rusted and her trailing arms is rusted. We ain't making no video on this. Taking our time, been working on that since this morning. Where we're working on notching out the brackets that I took off. Gotta take those off. To make the camera bolts. Notch them out for the camera bolts. But y'all, like, go, share. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. Easy's Rebuilds on YouTube. Peace.